Welcome, Detective. Today's mission: decode the mysterious world of JavaScript objects. Your tools? A sharp eye, clean syntax, and curiosity. Let's investigate. An object is your case file. Inside you will find key value pairs, clues, ready to be uncovered. To investigate clues, use dot or bracket notation. Dot for standard keys, brackets for dynamic or odd names. Now, interrogate the object. Use keys, values, and entries to expose everything it knows. Need specific intel? Use destructuring. It's like pulling files from the folder, fast. Some cases go deeper, nested objects. Treat each layer as its own folder inside the main one. Case closed, but the mystery of coding continues. Hit like if this helped, subscribe to join the squad, and comment the weirdest object you've debugged. Until next case, code sharp, detective.